The Step and MIDI Input features are renowned tools when it comes to MIDI arranging, and with Cubase 13 they become even more powerful. Let's check them out. The Step Input mode is a very powerful function in Cubase that allows you to enter MIDI notes really fast and create sequences even if you're not a keyboard player. And now with Cubase 13 we have some big improvements when it comes to this. So let me show you what these are. The first thing that you will notice is that now when I activate my Step Input, wherever I place my cursor, the Step Input cursor follows that cursor, which means that I'm ready to input my notes wherever I am in my project. So if I want to start inputting my notes right here, this will follow the quantized value that I've set here. If you choose to use quantize and you're not on adapt to zoom mode, it's going to input 16th notes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start inputting notes. It doesn't matter the tempo, it doesn't matter the duration. Right now I'm going to input 16th notes on my key editor. So let's try it. One thing that I can do with the new Step Input mode is that now I can keep entering notes, and if I hold a note, I can press the right arrow key on my keyboard and extend the length of the note, or if I want to make it shorter again, I can hit the left arrow key. So I can create sequences and melodies very, very fast without having to change the quantized value or the quantized length. So what I would do as a tip would be to start with a really short value, the value that you think is going to be the shortest you're going to use, or the average value you're going to use, maybe 16th notes, and then you can use the arrow keys to make the notes longer. And it doesn't stop there. We also have improvements with the MIDI Step Input. So let me show you. I have this string ostinato right here. And let's say I want to add some notes on top of this basic melody. Maybe I want this to be polyphonic. Now you can do this. So maybe I want to add some thirds above this main melody. So let's go and activate my MIDI Step Input, and I'm going to select my first note. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I have keep existing notes activated. It's this option right here. And now I'm going to add 2 more notes on top of what I have here. So let's get started. And the notes that I add follow the duration of the existing notes. So now in no time, I've created an ostinato, duplicated 1 octave above and 1/3 above this octave. Let's have a listen. And as you can see, I've also added some variation here, so you can play with different variations and come up with really cool patterns. Let me show you another example. Here I have a violins part in this beat. This comes from Iconica Sketch. Let's say I want to make this strings arrangement a little bit more dense by adding some more notes. It's very easy to do. So I'm going to go and select my first note, and I'm going to have my MIDI input activated. So now I'm going to add some harmony to this string melody. And again, I'm going to add 2 notes instead of 1. I start with the first note. And now let's listen to it with the more dense arrangement that we just created. So 2 of the most powerful MIDI functions in Cubase have been vastly improved. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one.